Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Dodge Durango side mirror. This is a straightforward repair that you can easily do yourself with a few common tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket with a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Having a new side mirror ready is also key. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves throughout the entire process. The first step is to gain access to the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry up the window switch panel and any other covers, revealing hidden screws. Once all screws are removed, lift the door panel and disconnect any electrical harnesses, including the main one for the mirror itself. This provides clear access to the mirror assembly. Now it's time to install your new side mirror. Carefully feed the new mirror's electrical harness through the opening in the door. Align the mirror's 3 mounting studs with the corresponding holes in the door frame. Once aligned, push the mirror into place. Secure it by hand tightening the 3 10mm nuts onto the studs, then use your ratchet to snug them down. Ensure the mirror is stable and flush against the door. With the new mirror physically installed, reconnect its electrical harness. Before fully reassembling, test the mirror's functions such as power adjustment and heating to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, reattach all other electrical connectors to the door panel. Finally, carefully align the door panel and push it back into place, ensuring all clips snap securely. Reinstall any screws and covers to complete the repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.